Hello and welcome back. In this class I'm just going to teach you some more things, and actually if I just go to the browser, then we just made this beautiful view of the dashboard. What more I just want to add after the latest post, I'm just going down. Actually I'm just copying this panel again, the whole panel. Okay, I'm just copying the whole panel and just pasting it here, and this is the comment area. Okay, I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now this is the new latest post area, the old one, the new one. But in the new one, what I'm just going to add, actually here is the new one. Okay, but before that I'm just adding the comments as well, because this is really important sometimes. Latest comments. Okay, to clearing you that here we're just starting the comments now. So by the way, latest comments, save that, refresh that. Now this is the new thing which I just got. So here, first of all, we don't need the image, so I just removed the image. Now refresh that. Now obviously we have to remove the images from all of the TDs as well, so I'm just removing that. I got it. Save that and refresh back. Okay, so the second thing is we have to, okay, I just didn't remove the image from the last one, so now I just did that. Save that and refresh that. Now this is the new thing which I just did here. But one thing more I just have to add here. After the email, I'm just adding another thing. Just duplicate that and the post. Okay, post, it means which post has got the comment. So here I'm just typing post number 2. So now let's go to the browser and refresh that, and the new thing is this, looking perfect. So what more I have to do here, I'm just copying this tr, duplicating and duplicating 4 times. I just did this. This should be 2, oh sorry, not this, should be 5, this should be 4, because I'm just coming from the last. So this should be 2, and this is obviously the first one, is the first one already. So this is a new comment area, and then I just have to add, I'm just adding some more things. Okay, and what more things I'm just going to add, the list of users and actually specific users detail. So now where I should add these things, after the comments or after the posts, or I think before the post I have to add that thing. So I'm just going at the top, and this is the latest post area. I got the clear comments area, and here I'm just adding another thing. In this way I'm just typing here, pressing space, and the users area. Okay, so this is the user area. And what I'm just going to do here, just simply copying the panel, the complete column here again. Okay, simply, and just paste that here. Okay, what mistake I just made there? Oh, the thing is, there I just added an extra space. That's why I just got that. Refresh that. Now this is the new thing which I just made here, but this is not the thing which I just want, because I'm just changing it and just making it approximately MD7, and refresh that. Okay, now instead of this I'm just adding the LG3, save that and refresh that. Now this is the thing, LG6, refresh that back. Okay, perfect. Or actually I'm just removing this column. Instead of the simple column, I'm just copying the complete panel. So, or the panel is inside the, actually here is the panel as well, but I have to add the clear fix again. That is the problem. Really simple. So add that and refresh that. Now I just managed what I just want to do, but here what I'm just going to do and how I'm just going to manage this problem, this shouldn't be the comment area, so I'm just removing the footer from there. Okay, I just removed, and the a tag as well, and this is the panel heading. After the I'm just removing all the data inside the panel heading, and after the panel heading I'm just adding the panel body. Oh, not in this way, body, looking perfect. Now go to the browser and refresh that. This is the simple thing which I just got now. Okay, So here in the panel heading, what I'm just going to add, I'm just adding the H4 again, and here inside the H4 I'm just typing the users list. Save that, and here again I have to do the same thing. What the thing I have to do again, I'm just copying this, or just let's just create a new table. By the way, this is the new table which I'm just going to create here, and obviously the T head, and then inside the T head I'm just going to add some more things, the TR. Okay, and inside the TR what I'm just going to do, TH, and now this should be the s.no, and duplicate, this should be the name. Okay, save that, and then I'm just going to create the T body here. Okay, T body, cover that, and now let's just go inside the T body. What I'm just going to put inside the T body, another TR, and after the new TR, what I'm just going to add the another TD, the first TD actually, and the SNO should be 1 right now, and then the name should be Shazib Kamel, and now save that. Oh sorry, not duplicate, just copy the whole TR and paste that, and here just type 1 2 and just type John Mark, because these two members I'll just make as users when we just make when I just make my CMS system workable. So by the way, the admin panel actually workable. So here the class I'm just adding table, and then table stripped. Save that and refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just want to get, and I got. So looking perfect. One thing more I just want to add here, the roles. Okay, so I'm just removing the name and just typing roles. Okay, so here this is the admin. Okay, means it can change the things, and this should be the subscriber only. Save that, and not the roles, actually only role. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the perfect thing which I just made here, but what more I have to do now, I'm just removing this panel info and just typing here the primary. Okay, save that and refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just made here. Okay, so what more I'm just going to do, I'm just going to do the latest posts area, and where is that? This is the latest post area, and this has the panel default as the style. So I'm just removing the default and just adding the primary here as well. So okay, I'm just going to the comments area, the latest comments area, and here obviously this is the panel default. I'm just updating it to panel primary. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking more beautiful. So I just did that, and some more things I'll do in the next class, so stay tuned and goodbye. Oh, one thing more I just want to add here in this area. So what is the thing, I'm just going to the top, and actually right now I'm just going to make this area as the profile area of the logged in user. Okay, so I'm just going here and actually just copying this simple column, just copying this and just pasting this after itself. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking perfect. Okay, so what more, going to the notepad back, and actually right now we don't need the table, or actually we need the table, but before the table we have to create some other things there. This is the header, the user list. Here I'm just typing profile, sorry, the spelling mistake, profile. Save that, refresh that. Now this is the profile area, and actually I'm just removing that. I don't want the panel heading. I'm just editing with this some new and interesting styles. And here the class, I'm just adding the class here, and then the page header. Okay, here I'm just typing in the H4 I'm just typing the profile. I just removed the panel heading. Okay, just panel body directly. Now this is the profile area, and what more I just want to do there to adding the balance, I'm just going here and actually just simply copying this TR and duplicating it 3 times more, okay, because I just want to add some balance here. This should be 3, this should be 4, and this should be 5. Let's just save that and refresh that. Okay. Oh, okay, just cut all these 3 elements because we have to paste that here, not there. Okay, now refresh that. Now this is the more perfect thing. But one more thing I just want to do, I'm just here in the col 6, the second one, col 6, I'm just cutting this page header and pasting inside the panel. Save that and refresh that. Now this is what I just got after that. So okay, what I'm just going to do more, I'm just changing the table script to condensed. Save that and refresh that. Okay, I just put it the wrong spelling, I think, so I'm just going here and it should be condensed, the S. Refresh that. Now it is looking the perfect thing which I just want. So what more I'm just going to do here, I'm just removing the table heading from here. Okay, we don't need the heading now, just simply refresh that. Now this is what I just want, but I will add the heading, by the way, but in some other ways. So there, after the profile heading, I'm just adding the picture of mine or any other person actually. Okay, so first of all I'm just changing it and just typing 4 and it should be 8, okay, the previous one, and save that and refresh that. This is looking more preferred and more perfect. So here I'm just adding my profile picture. Okay, so this is the page panel heading and I'm just putting this inside a column. Okay, the class of column. Okay, you know that columns are really important in the website when we're just talking about the bootstrap. So here it should be the column MD4. Okay, now just cut this panel heading and put it inside the MD4, but actually I just did the wrong thing here. Okay, I'm just cutting this panel column MD because I just forgot that this is a user's area and I'm just duplicating that, and here I'm just typing the cut that, and here I have to type the thing, but before that I'm just pasting this column MD4 and here I'm just adding the comment area. Okay, this is really important, I just found that profile area. Okay, now this is what I just want to do. Perfect, just clearing what I just want. Now I simply just cut this page header and just paste this inside this column MD4 and just go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking more perfect, and here I'm just creating another div which is actually the another class, another column MD8. Okay, in this column I'm just adding the img and src, and what I'm just typing here, the images. Actually I got the image of a model on my folder named images, but for going the image I have to add the back directory thing. So here is the model.jpg, and then the width should be 100. Oh sorry, not in this way. Yep, 100%. And the class, I'm just going to add the class here as well. So the class should be img circle. Okay, cover that, save that, go to the browser, refresh that. Now I got the image. Okay, oh mine, this is too big, so let us type 50%, refresh that. Okay, this is still too big, so just put the, instead of 50 I'm just typing 30%, or refresh that. Okay, and now what I'm just going to do here, I'm just typing 7, refresh that. Okay, this is looking really perfect, but actually not too much. Here instead of the profile I'm just typing my name, or yeah, the John is more preferred because obviously that is not me, by the way. So refresh that, and this is John Mark, my dummy character for this beautiful admin panel. Okay, John Mark, perfect. So what more I'm just going to do here, I'm just going to create another div and this div should have the class, and now this is actually the panel heading. Okay, I'm just setting the panel heading now. But why I just added the panel heading, and actually what I'm just going to do here, I'm just copying and pasting all the things of this table. Okay, first of all I'm just deleting the numbers here. I'll teach you what I'm just going to do here. Okay, simply just cutting and actually just copying all the data of this panel, okay, and just pasting this inside the panel heading. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that this is in full blue color. This is what I just want to get. So perfectly looking. And now there, this should be the role in the, this should be the th, by the way, th, and here role. Okay, the role is the, this should be admin, by the way, or unfortunately I have to type the Shazaib Kamal. By the way, that is not my picture. Kamal. Now the role is admin. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the Shazaib Kamal and the role is admin, and the other things are, if you have some other things, let's just type that. I can add my contact number, my email address here, so I'm just adding my email address, and again I'm just copying the th here and just pasting and adding the email. Okay, and here I'm just typing the ABC or my email address, no problem. Save that, and some more things I'm just going to add here. Let's just copy this tr and paste that, and here I'm just adding the contact number and just correct that, and here I'm just adding the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, don't try to call that number because I don't know whose one has that number, by the way. So here this is the more preferred. Refresh that. Now I got the I just perfectly added all the things there. Well, I can add some more things and can make this area more perfect. So what I'm just going to increase on that, I'm just going to the notepad plus and plus plus and just copying this role admin, duplicating that, and here I'm just typing job. Okay, general job. For example, I am the developer. Okay, web developer. Okay, here I got the role of admin, but actually I am, my job is actually a developer, so I just mentioned that. Well, for just actually balancing the areas, I'm just adding another thing here, just actually copying this contract and pasting here. I'm just typing the country. Okay, I'm just mentioning that I belong to Pakistan, so I'm just typing Pakistan here. Instead of the number, I'm just typing Pakistan. Save and refresh that. Now this is actually perfect thing. So add the semicolon here and perfect. So guys, we'll meet in next class.